Hello, welcome back to Think Big Digital. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to create own images on Leonardo AI. First, navigate to Leonardo AI app or log in with their website. If you can't sign up for their website, you can see our previous video. Now, as you come to their surface of AI tools, you will find all the features at the left side of the surface, and you will find in user tools image generations, or if you come to get started here, you will find create new image. Tap on create new image. Once you do that, you will find generation history, image guidance, and prompt generation. Tap on image guidance. As you do that, you will find a inputting image option. Click on add on image. You can choose from your files or you can click on your recent creations. As you know, we are focusing on creating your own images on Leonardo AI. So we will just go to our files and choose our one of the pictures. Let's assume that this is the picture I want to edit. Now, as it is an error, we will try for a new photo here. We will again go on add an image and just tap on any photo you want. As you can see, I have inputted my image here. Now at the left side, you will have the options of number of images you want to generate, then your guidance scale. I will just make this up from here and to number of images. I will go for the strength, then just tap on your prompt here. If you don't want to give here any prompt, you can just go to add elements and you can find many creative prompts here. After doing all of this, just tap on generate. Now go to generation history and just wait for some seconds until it is processed. You can see it is changed per my elements that I have chosen here. This is quite not the picture that I wanted, but at, at the same time, it just goes with my elements here. Now we will just try for another picture here. We will again go to image guidance and delete this image from here. Then go to add an image. Then I think I'm going for this picture here as this has a clear version of it, and then tap on confirm. I will choose my style from here, anime pastel dream. Then give my style here none and just tap on this text prompt bar and then just tap on generate. Now go to generation history to see the picture. As you can see, I have an anime pastel style on it, and I think this is the picture I want from here. And now I want to download this picture. Just click on download image and you will be able to download your file. Just click on open file and you can see I have successfully downloaded the image I wanted from the very first of this tutorial. Now let's see the second picture. This is also a good transformation of what I have inputted there. Also download here. That's how you can easily create your own image from Leonardo AI. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.